Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D popcorn flower that can be used as a keychain like this, or you can use it as adorable souvenir for your loved one. This is what it looks like. It's so cute, isn't it? Well everyone, to make this piece, I'll be using two different colors of polyester thread with 2.50mm crochet hook from Tulip. Firstly, make a magic circle and chain 1. After that, make 8 single crochets in the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then fasten the yarn to close the magic circle. Back to the project, make slip stitch on the first single crochet using different yarn. Insert the hook here, then grab the new yarns and pull it through these loops. Okay, done. Then 3 chains. These 3 chains are considered as the first treble crochet. Then make 4 more treble crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 regular treble crochet and 3 chains. These 3 chains are considered as the first treble crochet, so there are 5 treble crochet in total. Then make the popcorn stitch. Make 3 chains, then 5 regular treble crochet in the next one stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook into the first treble crochet to make the popcorn stitch. Insert the hook here, then grab the working loop, pull it through these loops, then make 3 chains. Okay, do it slowly like this. Okay, done. Then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then repeat again. 5 treble crochet in the next one stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make the popcorn stitch. Insert the hook here and grab the working loops, then pull it through these loops. Make 3 chains. Repeat these patterns until you get 8 popcorn pattern. This one is the last popcorn pattern. This is the first treble crochet. This is the second, third, fourth. This one is the last treble crochet. Insert the hook on the first treble crochet, then grab the working loop. Pull the loop through these 2 loops. Then make 3 chains. After that, make a slip stitch on the third of the 3 chains which are matched at the beginning of this round. Okay, done. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and so unique. Okay, after making a slip stitch, move to the 3 chain space, then make 1 chain. Now making the petal, start with 1 single crochet, then 5 double crochet. This is the first double crochet, second one, the third one, the fourth one, the last one, then make 1 more single crochet. Okay, this is the first petal. You will have 8 petals in total. Then move to the next 3 chain space, make 1 single crochet, then 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern again. Okay, move to the next 3 chain space, make 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one in the last one, 5, and make 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern until you get 8 petals. I have made a total of 8 petals. Then I'm gonna make slip stitch here. This slip stitch can be matched on the top of the previous slip stitch or on the first single crochet. For the panel part, I will make poly chain. Okay, 1 more chain, then make a slip stitch and make it here on the top of the previous slip stitch. 1 more chain, then cut the thread. This pattern is almost ready. This is what it looks like. So adorable. Suitable for a gift, isn't it? Now you can hide this yarn still inside the pattern. To hide this, I'll be using the tapestry needle. Finally, cut this yarn tail. Well everyone, have a look. The 3D popcorn flowers pattern is all ready and it's so cute and adorable. This pattern can be used as a keychain or a gift for your loved one. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to click the subscription button. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet.